In this tutorial, we will see that how you can put 3 years on Roblox that really works. So there are 2 steps to do it. For the step 1, open new tab and simply click on these 3 dots that's showing right upper side. Here, you will see these extensions. Open this widget, Chrome Web Store, from here. After opening it, you can search for BT Roblox. Here it is. You can open it and it's very safe and secure extension. That's why it's available on Chrome Web Store. You can simply click on that, add to Chrome and add extension. After downloading it, you have to pin it. Simply click on that icon and pin it from here. After pinning it for the second step, open this Dropbox, and here if you click on these lines that's showing left upper side, you will see here this avatar. Open it. And from this avatar, if you come to this head and body and open this here. So now you can put 3 hairs on Roblox. Firstly, select the first one, and then second one and the third one. You can also select 3 or more. So that's how you can put 3 hairs on Roblox in just few easy steps.